Good morning everyone. Welcome to Creator International School Khamlao. This is Karuna and today we are here to see our chemistry lab. So we are at the ground floor now. Chemistry lab is situated at the first floor. So let's move towards the first floor. So we are marching towards the first floor. So we reached the first floor. This is our biology lab. We are reaching to our chemistry lab. Fire extinguisher is situated just in line the chemistry lab. This is our chemistry lab. So our chemistry lab is well equipped with all the facilities like shower room, eye shower, fume hood setup, and chemical racks for storing all the hazardous and non-hazardous chemicals, and the apparatus setup. So we entered our chemistry lab. This is our chemistry lab. Let's start with this corner. This is our shower room. Shower room is having all-time hot and cold water supply. This is the eye washer setup, which is well equipped and in working condition. So our shower room is all-time set up with the hot and cold water and the eye washer. Let's move towards the next cabinet. This is the working space, working cabinet for our students. Wide area. This is the flammable liquid storage cabinet to store the hazardous chemical in it. It is locked all the time. We are unlocking it. See, all the hazardous chemicals like hydrochloric acid, then bromine water, all the hazardous chemicals are stored under great observation and with all precautions in this flammable liquid storage. We have recently installed the fume hood in our laboratory. This is the fume hood. It is the front area of the fume hood. Also, the exhaust pipe is mounted on the upward side of the fume hood, which is carry all the fumes outside in the environment. This is the door. Internal base area of the fume hood. Switches of the fume hood. Here is the power button. We will check the functioning of the fume hood. I am turning it on. Here the fumes are carried inwards in the one direction. You can see I am keeping the papers here. All the paper pieces are carried inwards. They are sucked by the fume hood. All the smoke and the paper pieces are sucked by the fume hood. The paper pieces are sucked inwards. proper condition. So this is the chemical rack storage. All the non-hazardous chemicals are stored in this rack. This is the list of the chemicals stored in it: distilled water, iodine, copper sulfate, methylene blue, etc. All the chemicals are kept here. We are opening it. In each shelf, all the chemicals are placed. These are the first aid kits and the chemical spill kit. All are kept in a very safe and good manner. So for equipment storage purpose, we are having this wall mounted shelf. All the equipments useful in laboratory are stored here, kept here with due safety. Magnifying glass, test tube. This is the list of the equipments which are stored in this shelf: magnifying glass, test tubes, petri dish, then litmus paper, filter paper, pH paper. These are the goggles, safety goggles. Students, we are at the time of performing practicals, are kept here. Test tube stands, then burner stands, funnels, beakers ranging from the strength 100 ml to 1000 ml, and all the conical flasks. So this is the shelf having all the equipments kept in it and stored in well managed. We are having the gas cylinder set up here on the terrace. So this is the iron chamber. We have kept the cylinder in it. All the safety measures are taken to mount the cylinder here in this iron chamber. The pipe outlet is here drawn, which is given to the chemistry lab. So this is the regulatory setup of the cylinder. We are having the gas line set up in our laboratory. So cylinder is kept at the terrace. One outlet of the cylinder is drawn in the laboratory. So here from this pipe the gas is coming in the laboratory, which is regulated by the knob which is situated at the pipe. It is grounded. The pipe is grounded, gas pipe is grounded here, and it is coming towards the working tables. It is a regulatory knob of the gas pipe. These are the working tables. Bunsen burners are kept here for the experimental purpose. These are the Bunsen burners having their own regulatory valve. So I am just lighting it up with the help of lighter. We can regulate the supply of the gas with this knob, with this valve. These are all well and in working condition. We use it for our experimental purpose.